Read loudly.
S, eat, sit.
Loudly.
S, eat, sit.
Correct. Very good. Here C and K together you will read. Okay. One time K. Come on, read.
Rainbow color करना है.
Sir actor. Come on, read. What is it?
Sack.
Very good. Have you seen we keep grains in it? Sack. Very good, Anne.
Frog.
Very good. This same letter, we will say the sound one time, okay? So from here. Very good. Snake hisses. Right? Come on, let's read this. Very good. Cup. What we drink in cup? What we drink?
Water.
We drink milk. Come on. Drip. Yes. Very good. Very good. Well done.
Flag.
Very good. This is ram. Where is this gone? So ram. Ram. Yes, ram. We put the small baby in that and we take him to stroll. Very good. But. Yes. Come on. Duck. Have you seen a duck? Gift. Gift. Do you get gifts on Christmas?
Yeah.
Very good. This is nap. What is this then? Okay, let's read it like this. Read this too. Snow.
Apple, snap.
Yes, very good.
Font.
Okay, let's read it like this.
Font.
No, soft.
Font.
Soft.
Soft.
Soft. Soft. Look here, look here. Soft.
Soft.
What is it? Soft.
Soft.
One word you don't know.
Leader.
No, what is letter E sound?
And red.
Very good. No, look here, look here, look here. Actor.
And red.
Gr E L. Loudly. Grill. Correct. Last one. Come on.
And
Very good. Well done.